Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing both AirPod Pro tips and inspecting mesh and vents. You want to locate the rattle source, case, stem, or speaker mesh, so test one bud and then the other while gently shaking. Use a soft brush and toothpick to dislodge visible debris. This reduces vibration against moving parts. Once done, lightly dampen a microfiber with 70% isopropyl and wipe surfaces. Make sure not to oversaturate the speaker or charging contacts to avoid damage. Now perform focused cleaning and diagnostic tests. Use short compressed air bursts at 1 to 2 inches to clear trapped particles from the mesh. Avoid long blasts that push debris deeper. Remove and reseat silicone tips or replace torn tips. Loose tips can transmit noise. If the rattle persists, check the case hinge and internal cavity for grit. Only open the case if you have repair experience, because internal clips and battery can be damaged. Next, run playback tests with equalizer off to isolate mechanical noise. For final fixes, gently apply focused pressure to slightly loose stems or seams to see if fit restores damping. Stop if resistance is felt. Replace any visibly damaged mesh pieces or tip components. If internal components rattle or you found broken clips, contact Apple or an authorized repair center. Document the issue with a short recording and a clear description of when the noise happens. If you're under warranty or Apple Care, provide that evidence. It speeds inspection and prevents accidental DIY damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.